Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be looking at the Snow Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one is a clean trend following robot built specifically for gold on the 30-minute time frame, and the developer presents it as a disciplined system with simple rules and strict risk management. I ran a full year test to see how it actually performs, so ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. But before we dive in, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So be sure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, this Snow EA was developed by Payub Fadek and it's from Thailand. It has no comments, it's not quite popular, it has no reviews. And also, this expert advisor has no reviews, has no comments. It was published this year, 15th of March 2026, and it was last updated on the 3rd of April. So it's not quite popular, it doesn't have much gas to it. But let's look at what it does. The EA uses EMA crossover, and it identifies trend direction on XAUUSD on the 30-minute time frame, and it waits for the fast and slow EMA cross. Then it looks for breakout or retest confirmation before entering. Every trade gets a hard stop loss and take profits, and it strictly trades one position per time, one trade at a time. No overlapping trades, no martingale, no greed, no dangerous averaging, no hedging, and no scalping in high slippage zones. The seller shows solid results with around 65% win rate. You can see this is their backtest results. We have a profit factor near 2, strong recovery, and relatively controlled drawdowns on their backtest. You can see the equity drawdown is 4.31%, while it's 6.92% on the balance. So they took 465 trades, and this backtest was run from 2022 to 2025, so it's like a 3 years backtest. Actually, 4 years, 2026, and made about 293% in total net profit, risking 1% per trade. You can see the initial deposit was $10,000 and it took that to $29,357 in net profit. Now, the key features to this includes the auto lot sizing. You can choose between the fixed lot and the auto lot based on your chosen risk percentage, and also the EMA cross with breakout and retest filters. We also have break-even protection, direction control, and spread filtering. It's built for simplicity. Just attach it to gold on 30-minute time frame on a low spread ECN account and let it run. Basically, let's look at more inputs. It doesn't have much settings, it just has a very basic setup. Use auto lot. You can also change the risk percent. You can decide to use 1% or 2 or 3 depending on your risk appetite. You can use the breakout entry. You can choose to use the EMA cross entry and use the retest entry. You can also choose which direction you want, whether you want to buy only or sell only. Now, these are the default settings from the developer, and I use this to test it on gold on the 30-minute time frame from June 2025 to June 2026, which is 1 year, with a $10,000 deposit on every tick based on real ticks modeling. And let's look at the results. The result was a solid net profit of about $10,039. The profit factor was 1.25, and max drawdown was around 60% on balance and equity, which is quite poor. And the win rate came in near 57 to 58%, and the equity curve shows good upward. This is it. It showed good upward runs, but mixed with some noticeable drawdown periods, as we had here. Now the thing is this EA compared to the developer's smoother showcase. My test had deeper drawdowns, typical of gold volatility, but it still delivered decent overall gains with the one position discipline. It took about just 80 trades in the span of 1 year, and basically shows that it's very, very disciplined. It trades based on the settings, based on what you want. Now, my verdict for this EA is that it does what it says, honestly, and the clear trend following without the toxic stuff is very impressive. The EMA logic and one position rule keep things disciplined, but gold swings means you have to stomach those 50 to 60% drawdowns during ranging or choppy phases. They have the auto lot and break even help protect capital. Also, this is for experienced gold traders or prop firm users who like simple 30-minute time frame trend systems and can handle volatility. And also, you can run it on tight spread brokers with a VPS. But any beginner or anyone who panics at big drawdowns should probably just avoid this EA and test it thoroughly on your own broker data before proceeding. Now that's it for the Snow EA. The only caveat is that it doesn't really have much push to it. There's no much traction to it, but it does have some results here. We have the 4-year backtest showing profit of 5,000%, risking 3%. And all of this depends on the risk that you are able to afford or take, and also depending on your account balance. So this is another backtest result. So Snow EA just does what it says, one trade per time, one trade, and onto the next. Basically 465 total trades with a win rate of 64%. It doesn't have the sky high win rates of 80% or 90%, but it's just conservative and it does its work and moves on to the next. So this is a good AI in my books. Now, like the video if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Now, comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.